Shanghai Geoto Creative Development Corporation, established in 2015, is a professional packaging solution services provider. Our team has many years' experience in the printing and packaging industry. We have food-grade GMP plant for food-safe packaging, SC Food Safe Packaging certification issued by Shanghai Municipal Quality and Technical Supervision Bureau. Our factory has efficient printing machines and a professional color management system to ensure the high requirements and handle the full process in packaging such as printing, cutting, lamination, hot stamping, varnish, spot UV, flocking, embossing and debossing, etc. Our factory has the ability of innovative packaging design and advantage technology research and development. Geoto has many R&D patents and self-developed shaped box equipment, which could make heart-shaped box 10,000 per shift, and also Christmas tree, egg shape, star-shaped boxes with high efficiency, good quality, and competitive price. Our factory has full automatic and semi-automatic lid and base machine, which can produce 20,000 square boxes a day. There are also automatic folding boxes machines, automatic assembly machines on our factory. High degree of automation will greatly reduce costs and bring customers high quality and competitive price products. Quality and service are our most valued commitments. Our cooperative laboratory owns a variety of professional equipment testing packaging paraments to ensure quality. Geoto adheres to the environment-friendly production concept. We hope we could improve core competitiveness and commercial value through Geoto integrated packaging design and operation service.